Apple Developer Account is a membership that gives you the tools and resources that you need to build and distribute your app on iOS different platforms like iPad, iOS, macOS, Watch OS, and tvOS. Second, how much does Apple Developer Account cost it? The account costs round about $99 per year. This cost applies whether you are individual or you are registering as a company. But if you are a starter, if you are a student or a part of non-profit organization, Apple offer discount and also a welfare to these type of organization too. And the next one is what you can do with the Apple Developer Account. You can publish your app on iOS Store. You can use Test Flight for testing and also for beta testing. Access to the frame like HealthKit, Shazam, AppKit, and much more. Monitor performance of your app. You can monitor your downloads, you can monitor your app crashes and each and everything. You can also set up an app purchase for your mobile app, and you can make your app free for the user, or you can make your app paid for the user who downloads your app. Do you need Apple Developer Account to build iOS app? Technically, you can build your app on your macOS using the Xcode without a paid account, but to publish your app on iOS Developer Account, you need to buy that developer account to distribute this app to the public, and then public can just simply download your app from the iOS App Store. So if you are serious about iOS development in the Apple Developer Account entry, in the next video I will show you how to sign up for the one and get started. See you there. So let's get started in the next video.